So now let's see how we can work around with Spyrogimp filter effect inside of GIMP, which is a complete render effect that you can apply in GIMP. So to do that, I'm going to go around under filter right here. And once you go around under filter, you can go around under render right here. And here you can see that Spyrogimp is an effect. So if I were to go around and choose Spyrogimp right here, is like this, then this is what you have. You can see the spirals right here. So you can go around, change around the number of teeth right here, just like this, and change around the moving gear teeth as well. And then this is what you have. As you can see, it renders out the pattern one by one right here, just like this. So let's just go around and reduce it out, and then that is what you have, as you can see right here. So let's just not render too much, but just a bit right here, just like this. And then that is what you have, as you can see. You can go around onto fixed gear. You can go for a rack type of a gear, as you can see right here. You can go for a frame type of a gear as well. And that is the effect that you have right here. You can work around with the size as well, just like this as well. And you can go around and make width and height equal, just like this as well, to get a more square effect right here, just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see right here. You can also go for a trapezoid right here. You can go for a sine right here, as you can see right here. And you can go for lysis, as you can see right here as well. So you can get the effect that you want right here. And that is what you have. So if I were to go around over here and press OK, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So this is how you can go around and utilize the Spyrogimp effect to get the pattern effect rendered in GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.